Question 1. The word computer usually refers to the central processing unit plus A. External memory. B. Internal memory. C. Input devices. D. Output devices. Correct answer is A. External memory. Questions 2. Who invented the first microprocessor? A. Van Cerf. B. Terence Percival. C. John Mauchly. D. Ted Hoff. Correct answer is D. Ted Hoff. Question 3. The first computer architecture was designed or developed in A. 1970. B. 1971. C. 1968. D. 1972. Correct answer is A. 1970. Question 4. Which language can be understood directly by CPU? A. C. B. Machine. C. Java. D. All. Correct answer is B. Machine. Question 5. Which unit is used to measure the CPU's processing power? A. GIPS. B. LIPS. C. MIPS. D. Nanoseconds. Correct answer is C. MIPS stands for million instructions per second. Question 6. Memory unit that communicates directly with CPU is called A. Main memory. B. Secondary memory. C. Auxiliary memory. D. Register. Correct answer is A. Main memory. Question 7. A collection of wires that connects several devices or computer parts is called A. Link wire. B. Bus. C. Bidirectional wire. D. Cable. Correct answer is B. Bus. Question 8. The three main parts of Central Processing Unit, CPU processor, is A. ALU, control unit, and registers. B. ALU, control unit, and RAM. C. Cache, ALU, and RAM. D. Control unit, RAM, and cache. Correct answer is A. ALU, control unit, and registers. Question 9. The main components, or basic units, of a computer system are A. Input-output unit. B. Central process unit, CPU. C. Memory unit, storage unit. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 10. The device used to fetch, or bring, instructions and data into a computer system is called A. ALU. B. Control unit. C. Input device. D. Output device. Correct answer is C. Input device. Question 11. Conversion of computer-generated results into human-readable format is the function of A. CPU. B. RAM. C. Output interface. D. Input interface. Correct answer is C. Output interface. Question 12. Data processing cycle consists of A. Input cycle and output cycle. B. Input cycle, output cycle, and processing cycle. C. Output cycle and processing cycle. D. Data transforming and refining cycle. Answer. B. Input cycle, output cycle, and processing cycle. Question 13. The computer system is controlled by which component? A. CPU. B. RAM. C. ROM. D. CPU and RAM. Correct answer is A. CPU. Question 14. Which of the following units of measurement are used with the computer system? A. Bytes. B. Kilobyte. C. Megabyte. D. Gigabyte. A. All of these. Correct answer is A. All of these. Question 15. The central processing unit and memory are located on the A. Expansion board. B. Motherboard. C. Storage device. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Motherboard. Question 16. Motherboard is also known as A. Electronic board. B. Printed circuit board, PCB. C. Combined device board. D. CPU board. Correct answer is B. Printed circuit board, PCB. Question 17. Which of the following is the main circuit board of computer system unit? A. Registers. B. CPU. C. Motherboard. D. RAM. Correct answer is C. Motherboard. Question 18. The hardware in which data is stored permanently for a computer system is A. Registers. B. Bus. C. Secondary memory. D. Main memory. Correct answer is C. Secondary memory. Question 19. Which of the following is the brain of any computer system? A. ALU. B. CPU. C. RAM. D. Control unit. Correct answer is B. CPU. Question 20. A bus used to connect the monitor to CPU processor is A. PCI bus. B. SCSI bus. C. Memory bus. D. Both A and B. Correct answer is B. SCSI stands for Small Computer System Interface. Question 21. The main function of the Central Processing Unit is to A. Carry out program instructions. B. Process data and information. C. Control all external and internal devices. D. Perform arithmetic and logical operations. A. All of the above. Correct answer is A. All of the above. Question 22. The CPU chip used in the computer system is made up of A. Gold. B. Copper. C. Silicon. D. Silver. Correct answer is C. Silicon. Question 23. What is a register? A. Digital circuit. B. Combinational circuit. C. Arithmetic circuit. D. Sequential circuit. Correct answer is D. Sequential circuit. Question 24. Which of the following is used to overcome the difference in data transfer speeds of various devices? A. Speed enhancing circuit. B. Bridge circuit. C. Buffer register. D. Combinational circuit. Correct answer is C. Buffer register. Question 25. A CPU register that keeps the track of execution of the program and contains the instructions currently being executed is called A. Index register. B. Memory address register. C. Instruction register. D. Stack pointer. Correct answer is C. Instruction register. Question 26. A special register that holds the address of location to or from which data are to be transferred is known as A. Memory data register. B. Memory address register. C. Index register. D. Program counter. Correct answer is B. The memory address register, MAR. Question 27. Which of the following CPU register holds data or information before going to the decoder? A. Control register. B. Memory data register. C. Accumulator. D. Stack. Correct answer is B. Memory data register. Question 28. A special purpose register that contains data to be written into or read out of the addressed location is known as A. Index register. B. Memory address register. C. Memory data register. D. ALU. Correct answer is C. Memory data register. Question 29. Which of the following is used to hold and transfer instructions and data that are being immediately used by CPU? A. Microprocessor. B. Registers. C. ROM chips. D. Data buses. Correct answer is B. Registers. Question 30. Before performing arithmetic and logical operations by ALU, data must first transfer from primary memory to A. Read-only memory. B. ALU register. C. Control unit. D. Secondary memory. Correct answer is B. ALU register. Question 31. A unit that decodes, interprets each instruction and generates the required enable signal for ALU and other units is called A. Arithmetic unit. B. CPU. C. Logical unit. D. Control unit. Correct answer is D. Control unit. Question 32. A group of signals used to transmit data in parallel from one part of computer to another is A. Control bus. B. Data bus. C. Address bus. D. Network. Correct answer is B. Data bus. Question 33. Which of the following is used to connect microprocessor, memory, and other parts of computer? A. Data bus. B. Address bus. C. Path. D. Route. Correct answer is B. Address bus. Question 34. Which of the following is a bidirectional bus? A. Address bus. B. Data bus. C. Control bus. D. Both B and C. Correct answer is B. Data bus. Question 35. An instruction cycle consists of A. Fetching and decoding. B. Decoding and executing. C. Fetching, decoding, executing, and storing. D. Fetching, executing, and storing. Correct answer is C. Fetching, decoding, executing, and storing. Question 36. What is the responsibility of the logical unit in the CPU of a computer? A. To produce result. B. To compare numbers. C. To control flow of information. D. To do maths work. Correct answer is B. To compare numbers. Question 37. Internal memory in a CPU is nothing but A. A set of registers. B. A set of ALU. C. Microprocessor. D. Bus. Correct answer is A. A set of registers.